Hey everyone, Mr. Voikin here, and now that the swing doors are done, we're going to move on to bifold doors. And we're going to be creating bifold doors with these exact same openings right here, so we might as well just copy this because some of the elements of these objects are going to be the same, such as the left and right door frame and these guidelines and the size of the opening that's indicated below. So I'll just start off with copy and copy all of that, and we'll move it up, I don't know, a distance of 1500 looks good. Okay, and we're going to change this title. Instead of being swing doors, it will be bifold doors. So bifold. Okay, and we don't need to have any of this right here because the bifold door is going to look slightly different. So make sure you're on the object layer, and then what we're going to do is zoom in on the 610, and we're going to make two doors bifold, right? So that are half this size. So divide 610 by 2, you get 305. So we're going to make a rectangle like before with a width of 40, but this time a length of 305. And then we'll make a second one going from that top right point, this time a length of 305 and a width of 40 there. And now we have our two doors. All we need to do is rotate those two doors. So RO for rotate these two objects, and we'll rotate right at the point where it's connected to the frame, and we will rotate it down at 45 degrees, and that is done. Now we just need to do the exact same thing for the 712 and all the other ones. All we need to do is divide this number in half and follow that same procedure. Okay, now there is going to be three doors that we're going to make: a 1220, a 1524, and a 1832 that are going to be sort of double sized of doors that are existing here, and we make those into 4 panels because they're just too big of an opening to only have two panels. Okay, so we'll start off by just copying this one here because a 1220 is a double 610. So I'm going to copy that. Oops, that's a circle command, and I don't want that either. Okay, so we'll try this again. Copy that, and we'll move it up to right there. We went up 1500 last time, so we might as well do the same thing. Okay. Now what we want to do is we're going to just sort of modify this a little bit. So we're going to move this piece that way 610, and then we're just going to grab the two ends of these things and extend it right over to the opening. So now if I click on this and hover over this blue grip point, it should tell me that I'm a 1220 millimeter opening, which is perfect. Now I need to take these doors and put them on the other side as well. So I'm going to copy those right there, and I'm going to grab it on that point and just drop it right there. Okay, and that's how we make a double sized 4-panel bifold door. Okay, I'll just move this really quickly. And finished.